What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. What up, Ken? What up, Austin?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you guys as always. Attendee on IMPP. I didn't check that out today. Let's see. Hey, not bad, not bad. 7%. Awesome. Congrats to you. And Austin says he ate some wonderful tendies with the June 8th SPY puts. Alright, dude. Glad that worked out. Yeah, Diamond Hands was the way.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So, yeah. Congrats to you, Austin. And Ken. Give you guys the money there. And still holding June 21st. Alright, dude. Good luck to you. Everyone makes some money today, huh? Well, I didn't, but I'm glad you guys did. $500. Awesome. Yeah, congrats, dude. And what up, Zach? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks, everyone, for being here. HUSA is doing good, too. Didn't see that one. Maybe all the small cap oils. Wow, HUSA is doing real good. Yeah, seems like small cap oil is doing pretty good today. Alright, so today is June. Today is Friday, June 3rd, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, so today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Ramenistan. That is because everything in the red today, super red, blood red. All major indexes and crypto in the red too. But there's this theory that Bitcoin got pinned under 30K, you know, for the options to expire, which I believe. Those damn market makers. So yeah, Ramenistan. But it sounds like you guys did pretty decent today, so I'm glad some people in the community didn't lose that much money. But overall, I think people lost money today. Here's the first hour of the day. So regardless of how the market did, got a great show for you guys as always. We'll do our daily stock and crypto reviews. Got two pieces of news today. One about Terra. More information coming out about Terra Luna. And a crypto bill coming out, or a crypto bill getting proposed next week, I believe. So, not too much news there. And then only one TA today we're going to do is Tesla. Because that had some news and is selling off pretty hard here today. AMC honorable mention. I was thinking about doing AMC, but whatever. So we'll just stick to Tesla today. And then we'll get to the Yolos. So yeah, today's show shouldn't take too long. Not too much to go over. Not too many articles. One TA. Actually, we have a decent amount of Yolos. They're pretty good, too. So that may take a little bit longer than usual. But, yeah, not too much content to go over today. So, yeah, maybe hour and a half today. Maybe 2 hours if more people come in and chat. You know, Friday is usually the best day for streaming. So, we'll see how it goes. But I really don't have too much planned out today. So, we'll aim for hour and a half, 2 hours. What's up with Tesla? And what up, Swarley?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
So Swarley, did you watch the interview? Did any of you guys watch the Mullen interview? I didn't watch it, but I saw like a summary. So the CEO, Dmitry, he said a big transaction is coming. Right? That's what he said. I didn't watch it. But, so I guess that's bullish. But, you know, I'm not going to believe it until I see it. Because all this guy does is talk. And is it the Fortune 500 company? You know, if it's coming, why didn't he? I don't know. It's very skeptical. You know, he has a habit of doing this, of just teasing, you know, PR and stuff like that. Gets retail excited, pumps the stock, and then nothing ever comes out of it. So I sure hope that happens and that goes through, but I don't know. I don't really believe it. I have a bad feeling about this. So, you know, good luck to the Mullen apes there. Hope it works out, but it's just more of the same BS to me from this guy. We'll see how it goes. But Mullen did hold up today. And why did Tesla lay off? Because Elon Musk has a bad feeling, a super bad feeling. That's exactly what he said. He has a super bad feeling about the economy. So we'll get to that. But yeah, 10% of Tesla's getting laid off. Tesla staff. But no guarantee? Really? He said no guarantee? So that makes me even less confident about that. Wow. Fortune 500 company, big order coming in, but no guarantees. Wow. I'd feel more confident if he didn't say that, but at least he's telling the truth now. Wow. A little bit more of a truth. YOLO Mullen, we be good? I sure hope so. Mullen in contact with 2 CEOs to license battery. Did he say which CEOs, which companies, or is he just teasing again? What up, Peasy?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
If he said that to Doge, it's going to be a sell-off. Said what to Doge? Doge isn't a company. I mean, but yeah, Tesla sold off pretty hard today. What is the point of PR and said no guarantee to hype up his investors and pump the stock? That's why. Tough times ahead? Yeah, that's what Elon Musk thinks. Super bad times ahead. Mullen CEO is a best friend of BBIG. Yeah, I see what you mean there. You know, they talk a lot, and in the end, the investors suffer. Kind of sad. They should treat their investors better. All right, guys. So yeah, thank you everyone for being here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. So not so much planned today. Should get through this pretty quickly. But if you guys want to chill and chat, always welcome to do that. And quick rant. So I think YouTube's doing one of their bot purges or something. I don't know. Cause I've been having a hard time getting subs this week. I actually lost subs. Lost like 3 subs this week. You know, which isn't that bad. We'll make it back. But you know, YouTube just goes on their seasonal purge, and they I think there were a couple bots subbed to my account. Maybe they're real. I don't know. But no one is subbed this week, and actually lost subscribers. So a little frustrating. But that's also little on my part. I apologize. I haven't been getting out the videos as soon as they should be getting out. I should be getting them out the night of the show. And you know, the past week I've been getting them out like late night or early in the morning. So yeah, my bad. But damn, YouTube, I think they're purging some subs for me. Let's go 1K sub. Yeah, almost. We'll get there. We'll get there very, very soon. Couldn't do without you guys, so appreciate you guys. All right. And then, you know, there wasn't too much to talk about today. I mean, this week, honestly. Well, there was Mullen, but, you know, whenever I say something that's going down, people don't like that. So I don't get many subs when I say something's going down. When I say something's in a moon, then it goes up. Don't go to Yankees game anymore? Yeah, that's true. That's true. That was why I didn't do it yesterday. But yeah, I got peer pressured by my friend, so I gave in. But it was a good game, really good game. It was a perfect game into the 8th, and then 1-by-1 run, so that was clutch. Had a good time. Yeah, Swirl, you were watching, right? That was a good game. Nail biter. Will next week be Tendy? I hope so. I sure hope so. You know, I don't have a crystal ball or anything, but I sure hope so. I think it's up from here. You know, I think economy is recovering. Inflation's going down, and economy is recovering. It looks like it, at least. But Elon Musk says super bad feeling. All right, guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. My rent for apartment $2K now, man. Yeah, that's pretty rough. I don't know what the average is in Texas, in Dallas is, but here in New York, it's getting pretty high too. Can run you anywhere from like 2 to 4K for a 1-bedroom. So it's getting pretty ridiculous. Damn, I did not need Section 8 to pay for my rent. Yeah, a lot of people could use some help right now. Average 1.6. That's not bad, 1.6. What about micro apartment? Like studio? I don't know. Probably 1 point something K. Yeah, it's crazy out here. All right. So I'll start on the green side. We'll start off with the indexes. All right, so the Dow Jones down 1.05%, Nasdaq down 2.67%, and the S&P down 1.63%.
And it's gone.
Nasty. Disgusting stuff here. Pretty bad day in the stock market, especially for tech. But SPY went down quite a bit too. So yeah, went down 7 points. We're almost at 418. Now we're back at like 411. That's pretty rough. Oh well. The VIX didn't move much. That's interesting. Up 0.28%. So only up 0.07 points. Still sitting around 25. So yeah, good thing the VIX didn't move that much. That's kind of weird. You would expect it to go up like a lot today. But yeah, 25 VIX, still, you know, not great, but ideally we want to get that down to under 20. All right, let's check out the watch list here. Not going to spend too much time on this. So on the green side, looks like, yeah, we got some of the small cap oil doing really good today. HUSA did really good, 27.5%. And then IMPP 7%. Mullen up 3.25%. Mullen held up pretty well today because CEO saying some pretty bullish stuff. Exxon up 1.46%. A lot of sirens today. My bad, guys. Going to talk over it. Pfizer's up, Dollar General, Chevron, IBM, Twitter, BP, Lockheed Martin, Target. So yeah, it looks like for the most part it's just gas, energy, oil and gas up today, and like some random stuff. But mostly the energy sector is the only thing up today. Used to be 1K before C19. Well, everything was lower before C19, but rent especially. But inflation went crazy. Not bad today in stock. Oh no, it was pretty bad, dude. Not like super bad, but no pun intended from Elon Musk. It was pretty bad. Was Dow Jones down to 16K during C19? Don't really remember. I'm pretty sure it was. Let's see. No, not 16, but 18. Went down to 18 at the low. Come on, body, give a stimulus check and help economy. Yeah, those times are over. The money printing days are over. It's gonna be rough from here. Really can't print anymore because inflation would go like absolutely nuts if we kept printing. If we did more stimulus checks, it'd go to like 15%. So, yeah, those are the good times, but good times are over. No more stimulus checks, no more free money. All right, on the red side here, not going to spend too much time here because everything's in the red, but Novavax down 20%. That was an honorable mention. That made top 10 StockTwits. Shopify 11%. DraftKings 11%. Wow. Roblox 10.4%. Nile down 10%. Coinbase down 10%. That's pretty nasty. Yeah, crypto stocks did pretty bad today. Nile, Coin, Riot. Tesla, which we'll discuss first today, down 9.22%. And it's 420. Lol. Yeah, so big loss in Tesla. We'll get to that first today. First and only TA we're going to do today. Bunch of memes here. Ride, Roku, Workhorse, Canopy Growth, Nikola, HYMC. EVs went down a lot today. PHUN, Wish, MicroStrategy. AMC, honorable mention. That's down 6.4%. Oxygen, SoFi, Marathon, Robinhood, Tilray, everything down today. BlackBerry, mostly memes. Growth in memes went down here, though. Didn't see too much value yet. Let's see. Square, Peloton, Xpeng, Nvidia. Nvidia's down 4.5%. That's kind of bad. Alibaba, 4.4%. Got MMAT, Neo, meme index down 4%. Facebook down 4%. That's pretty bad. Yeah, Tech got wrecked today. Airlines, cruises, Palantir down 4%. Apple 4%. Wow. Apple usually doesn't move like that. That's pretty bad for Apple. Yeah, tech not doing so good. Redbox held up pretty decently. Netflix down 3%. Ford, Snap, Google, Amazon, Costco, Moderna, AMD, Disney, Paramount, Nike, Walmart, Microsoft. Yeah, so for the most part, value did go down as well, but not nearly as bad as growth. So it seems like today's sell-off was mostly led by growth and tech, which seems to be the trend. When things go up, market is usually led by growth and tech, and when it's down, it's usually led by growth and tech. So, yeah, apes getting wrecked today. I mean, I guess everyone's getting wrecked today, but especially the apes and whoever's like tech heavy. Value stocks usually don't move like that, but tech got hit pretty hard today. So, yeah, pretty nasty. Pretty bad day in the market today. But it still seems like we're on an uptrend, which is good. Can't complain too much. Seems like a healthy pullback here. All right, let's get to some crypto. One second here. Says we got 3 viewers, 6 likes. So maybe today won't be maybe today's show won't be that long unless more people come in and chat. But looks like for now there's not so many people. But maybe later on more people will come in. Usually during bear markets or down days, retail isn't too interested. So in a nasty day like this, don't really expect too much retail participation. Wow, this is pretty bad too. You guys know how to trade straddle option in E-Trade? Well, I know how to trade straddles, but I've never used E-Trade before, so No, I don't. But I know how to trade straddle. Oh, and I did send you. I don't know if you saw it, Ken, but I did send you and Wilson on Discord. I linked a what do you call it, for my Patreon, a starter video for Patreon. So I don't know if you saw that, but I did link that yesterday. All right, so here's crypto today. That's down 2.36%. Yeah, please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right, so trending Terra Classic, Step In, and Green Satoshi Token. Biggest gainers on Federal Reserve, okay. Easy World and Onium. Don't know what any of those are. Let's get to the actual crypto today. So Bitcoin's down 2.3%, under 30K now. Pretty nasty. It looked like we were finally breaking out at 30K. Nope, right back down here. Holding some pretty critical support and critical resistance. But options did expire today for Bitcoin. So there's this, theory that market makers pinned it under 30K. Wouldn't be surprised. ETH down 3.75%. Binance 3%. Cardano 4%. XRP 3%. Solana 6%. Doge 1.7%. Sheeb 3%. Don't see any green so far. Chronos down, Litecoin down. FTX, Monero, Bitcoin Cash. All I see is red here. Let's sort this out. But I literally didn't see anything in the green. Alright, so we got a whole 3 coins in the green here. Bitcoin SV, Stellar, and Waves. So yeah, 97% of the coins in the red today. And the stuff in the green really didn't move that much. Bitcoin SV 2.5%, Stellar 1.5%, and Waves is like barely in the green. So, yep, not a good day to be in not a good day to be a crypto bull, or any type of bull, to be honest. And on the red side, so it seems like most of the coins in the red, but actually, I was gonna say it's mostly growth driven, but there is a decent amount of value in the red here. What up, Wilson?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Yeah, Wilson, I'm not sure if you saw the, if you checked Discord, but I did send you and Ken a link to my Patreon video about technical analysis, starter technical analysis video. So you guys are asking, how do I read charts? So I sent you that over for free. So check it out if you want to. Not sure if you already saw it. Okay. So on the red side, so everything in the red. 97% in the red. Coins in the red. So let's see here. Not going to spend too much time on this, but yeah, ICP biggest loser, 13%. Then Kava, 8%. Biggest value loser, Solana, 6%. That's pretty bad. And then Avalanche, 6%. Polkadot, 6%. So there's a good amount of value here in the red, too. So both growth and value coins getting hit pretty hard today. So price action wasn't like terrible. Cardano's down 4% too. So yeah, price action isn't super terrible, but most of the coins in the red today. Growth and value, so this was pretty bad for crypto. Yeah, so overall, today, stock market and crypto, pretty bad today. So hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Seems like you guys actually made money, a lot of you guys, so, awesome. Congratulations to everyone. And I hope that you didn't, and for everyone who didn't make money, hope it wasn't too bad. Hood option, very easy to understand. Yeah, that's why Robinhood is good, because it's made for beginners, and it makes it easy for you. It's not so complicated, but you know, it is kind of they don't have too many features, advanced features. So it's a good place to start for newbies. But you know, as you become better investors, you should probably move on to like TD or IBKR or Fidelity, something like that. Trading View. Why so red today? I don't know. Seems like just a healthy pullback, to be honest. Fridays are usually red. You know, people sell off before the weekend. But you know, we just had quite a bit of a recovery. So it seems like some healthy pullback. But yeah, today was pretty bad. All right, guys, let's get on to the articles today. Got 2 articles. So we're doing pretty good on time here. It's only 4:30. So maybe we will finish around 5:30 today. Please smash the like button, guys. All right, so today I only got 2 articles, one about Terra and one about a crypto bill coming next week. So let's start with Terra. All right, so got more drama from Terra. Terraform Labs and large early Luna holders dumped on retail before UST's collapse. Report. The team at Arcane Research has suggested that early Luna supply was controlled by a few holders and Terraform Labs, who have made tremendous profits selling the digital asset between 2020 and May 5th, 2022. In addition, Terra worked as the perfect exit strategy, liquidity similar to a prolonged pump and dump. So yeah, nothing too new here, but it's getting confirmed now that this was pretty much a Ponzi scheme. It was a pump and dump Ponzi scheme. So we see here, most of the supply was held by Terra and some whales. And this little blue strip right here, all others, was held by the rest of the retail. So, and this is the case for most of crypto, not just Terra. But yeah, it seems like the whales and Terra made a bunch of money and retail got dumped on and everyone lost everything. Can't say I'm surprised. So in the end, the little guy gets hurt. So yes, Terra is like, was a pump and dump Ponzi. Intentional or unintentional. But the more the information comes out, it does seem more intentional. But yeah, just the Terra update there. And here's an article about a crypto bill coming next week. So U.S. Senator unveiling historic crypto bill next week. Gonna skip ahead here. So U.S. Senator from Wyoming, Cynthia Lummis, is introducing this bill. So she's been working on this for months. It says the bill would likely address segregating various types of cryptocurrencies into categories. Also, tax laws on digital assets and protecting investor funds could also be involved. And it says the bill would create a new regulatory body to handle crypto affairs. It's going to be jointly overseen by the SEC and the CFTC. So, you know, they don't really do anything, but yeah, we are going to get more regulation here. More clarity. So I'm not sure if it's going to go through, but this is a good start, you know, introducing crypto bill here. So we're going to get clarity on asset classes and taxes and regulation. Okay. So that's all the articles for today, guys. Let's get to the TA now. So we're getting through this very quickly. That's cool. Let me check YouTube real quick. 4 viewers, 6 likes. Thank you, guys. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't. Alright, so we're just going to do Tesla today. And then we'll get to the Yolos. So this shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. Already know what I'm going to say. So, yeah, let me just take a quick drink and we'll get started here with Tesla. All right. And I do hear a siren coming, of course. All right. My apologies. Going to mute 1 second while the siren passes. Then we'll get started with Tesla. It's a pretty long one. This guy must be driving like 10 miles an hour. All right, we're good now. My apologies. Let's get started. So here is TSLA Tesla. This finishes at $704 today. That is down 9.22%.
And it's gone.
So Tesla has been mooning the past week. Made a significant recovery, down from the low 600s to almost 800. But today we get a massive sell-off. This did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Had about 6,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze Tesla. Now, there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. We had some news from Elon Musk. He made an announcement saying that 10% of the workforce would get laid off. Because he has a super bad feeling that the economy is in trouble. He actually said that. Super bad feeling. So that was very bearish news. Market didn't like it. Sold off a lot here. And it's kind of weird because you would expect that the layoffs would happen when the economy went down, right? Not because he thinks it's going down. So I don't really get the rationale behind laying off 10% this early. But he is the boss. So Tesla is going to lay off a big portion of their workforce. In addition to that, the overall market did do pretty bad today, especially tech. Great. Comes another siren. There's a lot of sirens today. We've only been going 40 minutes and had quite a few already, a handful. So this is really annoying. Sorry guys, gotta wait for this to pass. Alright, we're good already. maybe a few more seconds. All right, let's continue. So bullish news plus an overall market sell-off equals terrible day in Tesla. All right, let's jump right in. Let's analyze here. Oh, let's rewind. And in addition to that, we do have a few price adjustments here from the hedge funds. CFRA has a new price target of 1,200. Morgan Stanley has a new price target of 1,300. And Cohen has a new price target of 700. So CFRA and Morgan Stanley are still very bullish on this stock, and Cohen thinks it's right around where it should be. Can you take a look at TXN for straddle option? Yeah, sure, dude. Let me just finish up with Tesla. All right, let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 623. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 851, 888, 958, 1,000, 1,090, or 1,150. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where the top can be 1,207, 1,208, 1,208, or even the high of 1,243. So the cup and handle, so those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. So the cup and handle is bullish in the short and long terms. Bull flag. We also have a bull flag developing here. I drew it for you guys. Here's the flagpole, and here's the flag forming. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may break out to the upside soon. I can actually kind of draw a triangle too. We did have this descending wedge here. We did have this descending channel here. And the stock did break out at the upper channel, so that was bullish. Now it's coming back down. But for the moment, as long as the stock stays above this descending channel here, it's still bullish. And I can also draw a triangle. Should have did this before, but let me just draw a triangle real quick. And we do have a triangle forming here. Right now it looks like it's consolidating between 790 and 690. So there's a bit more consolidation to go, but this should consolidate somewhere, but this should consolidate around 740, and from there, it should break out to the upside. So triangle bullish indicator. Okay. And in the aftermarket, this is pulling back down to 701. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for Monday. That is suggesting that Monday, this stock will sell off as well. And if you guys want to... Oh, one more thing. It seems like there's some very critical support. At around 700. Retested that a couple of times, couldn't quite break it. But if this does break 700, the next critical support would be down at 620. So it's going to take a lot of selling pressure to break 700 and 620. All right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Let's see, how high should we go here? I guess we'll go to 900 and then 500. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 706 and 697. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 706, 720, 731, 744, 752, 763, 777, 787, 798, and then 808, and then 808. We'll stop there. Then let's go to the downside. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 697, 686, 670, 678, 668, 655, 644, 630, 623, 612, and then 600. There is support below 600, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 704, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. RSI is currently at 42, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but that is below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 704 should be a little bit higher. And this did 37 million in volume today, way above the average of 28 million. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So like I said, I'm not really sure why Elon Musk decided to lay off 10% of the workforce before the economy went down. It may not even go down. He just has... It seems kind of unreasonable to do a layoff this big based on a feeling. On his super bad feeling. So I'm sure the shareholders are not happy about this. but based on the charts, the stock does look pretty bullish still in the short and long terms. And again, most of the hedge funds are still very bullish on this stock. So despite the bad PR today, it seems like the overall market still really likes Tesla. There's not too many indicators here. Someone's blasting their music outside. But the cup and handle, bull flag, descending channel, and triangle are all bullish indicators. Let's rewind. The cup and handle, bull flag, descending channel, triangle, and low RSI are all bullish indicators. Really no bearish indicators besides the aftermarket action, which is just temporary, and no neutral indicators. So yeah, overall, the stock still looks really bullish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. 704, the current price appears to be a pretty good entry. I wouldn't call it an excellent entry, but definitely an above average entry. So you really can't go too wrong here at 704. I would say in the short term, this has the potential. I would say in the short term, this has the potential to go back up to 1150, where the top of the cup is. And let's do some math here. What up, Henrik? What's up? Today I bought Tesla and Novavax. Let's see next week. All right, awesome, dude. You bought the dip. So, I definitely think Tesla's a good buy. Novavax is pretty legit too. We don't really use that here in America, but that is a pretty legit stock. So, and it did sell off pretty big. So nice, dude. I like it. Buy the effing dip. That should work out. I like that a lot, dude. Good luck to you. All right, let's see here. %, upside. So from the current price of 704, that would be over a 60% upside. And this may pull back, but really shouldn't go too much lower. Again, there's some very critical support at 700. So this may already be near the bottom. But if it does break 700, the next critical support would be 620. And that would be what? And from the current price of 704, that would only be about a 10% downside. So in the short term, 60% upside potential, 10% downside potential. So I would say going long here would be a low risk, high reward play. Definitely worth buying in my opinion. So I can't support going long at 704, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons I said to go long. All bullish indicators right now, really no bearish indicators, and no neutral indicators. Hedge funds, for the most part, are bullish on this. And again, in the short term, 60% upside potential, 10% downside potential. So I would say going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. The risk definitely outweighs the reward here. Don't really see why you go short here. It is possible to make money, but it's just not worth it in my opinion. You know, many people have tried to short Tesla in the past. It never worked. So historically, it hasn't been a good idea to short Tesla, and still, it's probably not a good idea to short Tesla. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But in my professional opinion, I think that's not a good play. So pretty straightforward, guys. Bad PR today. Don't really understand the logic between. Don't really understand the logic for such a massive layoff. The market didn't like it, sold off pretty hard today. But overall, the stock still looks really good in the short and long terms. So if you want to go long, I think it's a good time to buy the dip. Can't go too wrong here at 704. If it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. A lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. And if you want to go short, doesn't really seem like the greatest idea to me. You're probably gonna get burned if you do that. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But there are definitely way better short plays out there in the market. And I don't really see a reason why you'd go short here on Tesla at the moment. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is TSLA Tesla. All right. So that's it for the TA today, guys. Let's do Texas Instruments for Ken. So Ken, do you know what a straddle is? It's just when you buy options for the same strike. For the same expiration, different strike, or sell options. So the long straddle is when you buy for the same expiration, different strikes, and a short straddle is when you sell for different strikes, same expiration. So let's see here. I could just where is the education? I used to be able to do a graph here. Oh, here we go. Yes, I can do this. Simulated trade. So let's just do a long straddle. So what's it at now? So let's do 170. Or 172.5. Why not? Let's go 160 and 180. So I'm going to try to show it to you visually on the graph here. Alright, so here I just bought the simulated trade. June 10th. 160 call. For 13.55 and 1355 and 180 call. for 36. No, that's not right. What did I do wrong here? Two sell call. Oh, you mean butterfly. Butterfly. Because Hood used different terms. I'll be honest, dude. I don't really remember the butterfly too well. I don't really use that method too often. I did do an educational video about that, so I need to refresh my memory on the butterfly. So I can't do that live here, but let me go back in my notes and refresh my memory on what a butterfly is, and I'll get back to you on Discord about that. But let me just do the straddle real quick, because it is a good strategy. I do use the straddle quite a bit. Just don't really know what I did wrong here. Do you know which stock doesn't move for weeks so I can do butterfly? Usually the value stocks, you know? Stuff with low IV. So Texas Instruments is one, one to do. Is good for that. And actually, a strangle is pretty good for that. Hold on real quick. So I'm going to show you a straddle and a strangle real quick. Let me just see something. All right, my bad. So let me X this out here. All right, so this is what it is. My bad. So a straddle is buying same strike, call and a put. Same strike, same expiration. So this is what it would look like. It's like an upside down triangle, inverted triangle. So this is what a straddle would look like. So, yeah, there you go. Put and a call. Put and a call. So, yeah, so the strike is 172.5, and the break-evens, well, this is where the break-evens are. So, essentially, you want massive price action either way. You're expecting massive movement. So that's what a straddle is. The long straddle. A short straddle is when you sell the call and the put. But I think for you, the strangle would be better. So let me show you what a strangle is. So for stuff that doesn't move, you want to do a strangle more. Yeah, Swarley. Straddle is call and put. I thought it was two calls, but spacing out here. Call and put. So let's do a strangle here. So let's do like 160 and 180. 160, 180. All right, so here's a strangle. So you see, it's not a triangle anymore. It's more like a what do you call this? Forget my shapes. The hell is this called? Trapezoid? It's like a trapezoid. That's what it's called, right? So you want this to stay, but so I did 160 and 180. So here you would want this. Oh, actually, a short straddle is better for what you're doing. Let me do a short straddle, not a long straddle. Strangle. Short. Okay. All right, that'd be better. Yeah, a short strangle would be better for what you're doing, Ken. So this is a short strangle. So you'd want this to stay between 160 and 180. That's where you make the most money here. You would make like $1,200 if you sold the 180 and 160 call and put. And then as long as it stayed between 160 and 180 in 1 week, you would make $1,200. And then if it goes below that or above that, that's when you start getting in trouble. That's when you start losing money. So yeah, a short strangle is when you want it to stay around the same price. So I think that's what would be good for you, Ken, right now. And we could actually do the butterfly. I just gotta look it up to refresh my memory. Tesla not the only one laying off employees. Robinhood doing it. Facebook and further acceleration into a recession, in my opinion. Oh, what up, Punk Skater? Glad you could join the show.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Strangle, if you go long and it go up, you win. Yeah, but the long strangle is more risky than the long straddle. Because if you go the long strangle and the long straddle, you want big price action. Either way. So the straddle would be better because you're taking more of a risk when you do the strangle. But the short strangle is good for when you don't want it to move. Short straddle too, but you have more leeway here with the strangle. So this is good. If you don't want it to move, this is how you take advantage. Short strangle. Can you chime in QQQ? Yeah, sure. It's the best thing for a stock that doesn't move in Iron Condor, I think. Yeah, that too. There's different strategies. Iron Condors. That one's a four-legged strategy. So, that's a bit more complicated. But yeah. That's another way you could go. Iron Condor. But short strangle is good for not moving, so is the Iron Condor. Also, is a CEO leaving company bearish because CEO of Amazon resigned 4 hours ago? What? Really? Really? That's news to me. Hold up. Well, yes, that is bearish. I would say that is bearish, but that is some... I didn't see that. I don't think it was the CEO. I think it was another high executive position. Yeah, it wasn't the CEO. CEO is Andy Jassy. Or he was the CEO. Then what is Andy Jassy's role? Different titles. No, Andy Jassy's the CEO. So this guy, Dave Clark. So he was CEO of the company's consumer organization. But the actual CEO is Andy Jassy. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with the titles here, but the actual CEO is Andy Jassy. So this guy, Dave Clark, not really sure how he was involved. Well, it says chief executive of the company's consumer organization to oversee market expansion. So yeah, that is bearish. I guess it depends why they resigned, but he said it was time for him to say goodbye and start a new journey. So that's a bit suspicious. He didn't really say anything like why he's leaving. But yeah, that is pretty bearish, I would say. How will it affect the split? Well, the split usually is bullish, so I don't think it's gonna affect it too much. Yeah, that's kind of weird. That is pretty bearish though. Doesn't seem like it did too much to the stock, honestly. I don't think it's gonna affect the stock too much, but that is pretty big. Honestly, I don't think this guy had like too much of a role in the company. I think he can be replaced, but that's mad random. And that is like bearish in the short term, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I don't think it's gonna affect the stock that much. So how will it affect the split? It's gonna be a little bearish, but I don't think it's gonna do too much, to be honest. That's just my opinion, though. So let's look at QQQ. Sell off on Amazon post split. Usually when a split happens, it goes up after the split and then it sells off. So like immediately after the split, I expect it to be bullish. But then after that, things will probably regress to the mean. So I would say bullish and then bearish like right after the split. QQQ. Okay. So there's a gap here. Probably coming back down to 301. Unfortunately. So it looks like there's a bit more pullback to go. But then it looks like it's kind of bull flagging as well. So there's the bull flag. So it kind of is due for some pullback here. So I expect it to pull back down to right here. 301. And then there's the bull flag. And then it should break out again. And there's the cup and handle. Cup and handle here as well. And there's a gap here at 360. Yeah, so I think it's going to pull back to 301 and then break out from there and eventually go back up to 360 to fill this gap and 370 to complete this cup. So I'd say bearish short term, longer term bullish. Thinking about 280 put for QQQ. 280 may be a bit optimistic. I mean, you can go for it if you want, dude, but that's like the bottom here. So I think 300 put would be a lot safer. I don't really think it's going to go back to 280, but who knows? So be careful, dude. But if you want to buy puts, I'd much rather go with the 300s than the 280. But that's just my opinion. I think it's going to come back to 300 and then run back to the upside. 301 only? Yeah, I mean, it may go lower than that, but that's where the gap is, 301. So, not quite sure if it's going to go back to 280, but I think it's definitely going back to 300 and possibly lower than that. I got $32 puts on TQQQ. But Tesla's major holding, isn't it? I'm not sure what the percentage is in the actual holding percentage Tesla is. But yeah, Tesla is in QQQ, but Tesla's probably going to recover. You know, I just did the T on that. I don't think it's going to go down too much more. But this is just my opinion, you know. With Tesla news, QQQ may drop that low, do you think? I mean, it's definitely possible. But I'm just reading the chart here, you know. Not really going based on fundamentals. I'm just really reading the chart. So it may, but personally, if I was playing this, I'd go for the 300 puts, not the 280s. But high risk, high reward. So good luck to you, dude. Careful. And TQQQ. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. 32, so it's like in the money already, or like at the money. So, Punk, did you just buy those, or you had them before? Yeah, at the money puts there, so I think there's a gap here as well. Yeah, this should come back down to 30.8. So those should print. But, you know, as soon as it goes in the green, not as soon as, but I think once it touches 30.80, that'd be a good time to consider selling. So I like it, dude. I like it. Good luck to you. Expires June 17th, so we got a couple weeks there. Yeah, that should work out. Should work out, but make sure you hit the sell button once you're in the green. You know, don't hold it, I would say. Tesla's 4%, so that's pretty big holding. But yeah, yeah, I don't think Tesla's gonna go too much further to the downside. And yeah, I think QQQ is gonna hold up. Gonna pull back a little bit, then rip again. Anyone got Tide shares yet? I don't know. I don't have BBIG. Bought 2 hours? 2 hours ago. All right, dude. Yeah, so kind of an FD there, but you know, pretty safe FD at the money, and the chart looks pretty bearish short term. So that should work out. But yeah, dude, as soon as you're in the green, you know, hit the sell button. I would say don't hold it for that long. Then charts say I should buy calls for QQQ. Longer term, yeah, longer term, but you know, if you're gonna buy leaps, you can buy leaps for QQQ. But I think it's gonna. But FDs, I think you know, in the shorter term, it's gonna pull back and then it's gonna rip. You know, give it a couple of months, it'll probably rip to the upside. But you know, within like a week or 2 weeks, it's probably gonna keep pulling back. What up, low roller?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. I'm at Buffalo Wild Wings. Are there hot chicks there? That's like rip-off Hooters, right? I've never actually been there. Want some money on skill game. Nice, dude. Congrats to you. And glad you could join the show. Alright, let's get to the Yolos. Okay. 1 second here. We got quite a few. So yeah, the butterfly and the condor are four-legged strategies. That's a bit more complicated. So maybe another time we'll go over those. All right, give me a second here. Gotta finish loading these up. All right, we'll give this a second to finish loading. And we'll get started with the Yolos here. XLE bullish ETF on the market just keeps going up and up. I'm not too familiar with XLE. What is that? We'll check it out here. And what up, Joe? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
A little bit of lag there, because I'm loading a bunch of pages right now. But yeah, what's up, dude, Joe? Glad you could make the end of the show. Yeah, a lot of people in here coming in towards the end of the show. So appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Does New York have Buffalo Wings restaurant? Yeah, there's one. There's one not too far from me, like 15 blocks from me. It's actually in the AMC, which is pretty weird. But I've never actually ate there. I've never been to Hooters. I've never been to Buffalo Wild Wings. But I heard the wings are actually pretty good. What do you think of option Shopify at 360? Call option Shopify 360. For what expiration? We'll check it out. Love the Iron Condor when markets isn't so volatile. Yeah, Condor is good. It's more of a advanced play. But yeah, Condors and the debit spreads and credit spreads. I really like credit spreads too. Yeah, but it's good for, well, when the market is volatile, you make more money. But when it's not so volatile, it's more safe. But yeah, I love the plays where you want it to stay, pretty neutral. New York banned Bitcoin mining, yeah, for 2 years, I think. Energy and oil ETF holds Chevron and Exxon. Let's see here. So it's an oil ETF, huh? Energy ETF, all right. Yeah, well, energy keeps going up, so like today, energy was the only sector that was green. Everything else went in the red. Energy held up pretty well. Yeah, gas keeps going up. So is this an all-time high? This is almost overbought. 68 RSI, so it's gonna get overbought, overvalued pretty soon. Yeah, this just keeps on ripping. There is a gap here at 57, but may not ever come back down there the way it's going now. Is this a gap here? There's a gap here at 78. That one may come back down. That one probably should come back down, actually. I think it's coming back down to 78. Fill that gap. But, yeah, oil is holding up really well. It's like the one sector that's moving while everything else is getting Bitcoin neck right now. What happened Golden State yesterday? They collapsed. I don't know. They were winning by 12, and then just fourth quarter was terrible. So that's their fault. Yeah, energy oil is a safe haven until it's not safe. Yeah, a couple of years ago, the price of oil went negative, right? So that would have been a good time to buy the dip. In hindsight, it's like, why didn't I buy the dip when oil was in the negatives? So, and then it's ripping now. It would have made a lot of money if you bought if you bought then. So yeah. I mean, oil's never gonna go anywhere. But now it's really ripping because of the whole supply chain and Russia going on. Russia-Ukraine situation going on. Buying the dip works until it doesn't. Well, just keep on buying the dip until you run out of money. Buy the dip and it keeps on dipping. That's what's happening now. So, yeah, that's why the rich get richer, because they have unlimited money, not unlimited, but they have the money to keep buying the dip until it does come back up, until it does work. You know, retail, they do run out of money. Shopify has stock split June 22nd, so you should be good, Wilson. I didn't know that, but that's pretty cool. Shopify is pretty expensive. All right, let's see, Shopify. $360 June 10th. Right when C19 went, oil went BitConnect. I mean, everything went BitConnect, and everything just rocketed back up. High oil prices going to push us into recession. Well, high everything prices. High inflation going to push us into recession. I sure hope not. Biden doesn't seem to be worried. I think today they asked the press asked Biden, "What do you think about Elon Musk cutting saying he feels super bad about the economy?" Biden's like, "All right, whatever, dude." So he's not worried. I hope he's right. I really hope we're not going into recession, but it's possible. What up, Brucey?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. I'm late. That's all right, dude. Just glad I could make the show. Better late than never. Laid down my 2-year-old for her nap and fell asleep. Didn't sell my SPY puts in time either. Oh, man. Well, yeah, dude. Glad you make the show. But that sucks, dude. If you couldn't sell your SPY puts. But I mean, at least they went down a lot. So if anything, you're gonna sell first thing in the morning on Monday. But yeah, congrats to you, dude. Sounds like you made some pretty fat tendies there on your SPY puts. Sounds like a lot of people in the community did make some money today, going Rainbow Bear. So shout out to you guys. I give homeless people advice. You just need $4. Look, free skill, bonus skill game. Yeah, I don't really know if homeless people should be gambling like that. You know, they should get a job before they start gambling. And a house. But yeah, they take their chances. Skill game is better than, slot machine if you're homeless. All right, let's see here. 360. Wow, this was at 1800. What happened to this? So June 10th. So you're gonna go FD on this, Wilson. So careful with the June 10th. Very close expiration. Let's see here, 360. So it's like pretty much at the money. RSI is at 43. It looks like it's, kind of bottoming out, and this is part of a cup and handle. So it does look bullish in the short term. But I don't know about June 10th, dude. Someone said they're going to reverse split. Punkstater said they're going to reverse split 22nd. So, yeah, Wilson. That one's a bit risky, I'm going to be honest. It does look bullish, but with an expiration that short, there's a good chance it expires out of the money. So, I think you're better off going with an expiration a bit longer. Maybe a couple of weeks out. Maybe three to 4 weeks out. And that one should work out, because this does look bullish in the short term. Got the gap here and cup and handle, so I do like the strike, but as for the expiration, I'm not feeling too confident about June 10th, to be honest. So be careful, dude. I think it'd be a better idea to buy it a little further out. Gambling is what made homeless people homeless in the first place. That's part of it. That's part of it. Hard times and addiction, and I guess gambling is addiction, is a form of addiction. But yeah, if you're really that low, then you should probably be focusing on just picking yourself back up before you start, gambling anything. casino, skill game, stock market, anything. I'll get a job and a place first. I just saw him gamble $1 to play skill game today. He's playing now. He's desperate money. I mean, I guess it's better than buying alcohol or drugs. But yeah. I don't know. Pretty sad. That's pretty sad. It's like they just can't dig themselves out of the hole. Homeless guy might be ex-ape. Oh, you guys want to hear a funny story? This is like totally off topic. But yesterday when I was going to the game, I was on the train, right? By the way, New York City subway is ridiculous now. But so I was on the train, and they had to stop the train and not go anywhere because for some reason everyone started smoking crack. Like everyone. There was like 5 people that started smoking crack. There was like 2 people on the platform that started smoking crack, and this lady was tripping out. She was like half naked dancing around. So the train couldn't move because she needed medical attention, and everyone was pissed. And then this guy next to me just starts smoking crack. And I'm like, what is going on here? You know, like, they didn't even know each other. And I'm like, what is going on? Everyone just starts smoking crack. This is insane. So, I don't know. Subway is crazy. The New York City is crazy, but the New York City subway is nuts. So, yeah, random story about me witnessing a bunch of crackheads yesterday. Oh, not a reverse split. Normal split. Yeah, you're right. Right. Normal split. That's bullish. Reverse split is bearish. It'll depend next week if green or red. Yeah, so, you know, with an expiration for next week, it can go either way. High risk, high reward. So, I don't feel too comfortable with that, dude. If you want, go ahead. But just understand it is risky. I think it'd be better to go with an expiration further out. But let's see what delta is. So this is based on, you know, TD's sophisticated algorithms and stuff. So 47 delta. So yeah, Wilson, there's a 47% chance that the 360 June 10th options go in the money. So that's pretty good odds. That's, you know, almost 50-50. So you might as well flip a coin. But yeah, in my opinion, you should probably go further out. Expiration date July 1st. Shop would have been better, I think. Yeah, I think that's more appropriate. I am control smart gambling. If I make some profit on cashing out fast, yeah, that's what you should do. Don't get too greedy. It's like stocks. It's like day trading. Better than calls, in my opinion, are put credit spreads. Yeah, that's a safer way to go about it. For sure, that's a safer way to go about it. So, yeah, Wilson. I'm not sure. Did you buy it already? Because if not, you know, it's probably better to go with expiration further out, or, you know, safer strategies like spreads for sure. I've seen a lot of different drugs. Never seen crack. Really? I guess it's more of like a New York City thing. There's a lot of crack here. Half naked crackheads dancing on the train. Yeah, you see everything here. It's nuts. Smoked a lot of 420. Never smoked anything else. Yeah, that's my substance of choice. I've never really done anything else, or not smoked anything else at least. Do you see people not paying train fare? Oh yeah, dude. No one pays. Yeah, I'm a good law-abiding citizen. I pay it every time. But yeah, no one pays it anymore. People just run through the gate. They jump the turnstile. In the bus, everyone just jumps in the back of the bus, and the employees don't say anything. They just let them do whatever they want. The mayor said they're going to crack down on that because losing a lot of money, like millions of dollars, like hundreds of millions of dollars, because no one pays anymore. And also the tolls. No one pays the tolls anymore. They take their license plate off. They cover the license plate. And, yeah, people just don't pay the tolls and the train fare anymore. So the mayor said that the city's losing a lot of money, and they're going to crack down on that. Crack is good? I don't know about that, dude. I don't think you guys should do crack. I told the homeless guy that the work shortage, he could find a job. Yeah, there is a worker shortage right now. There's no one who wants to work. You should get a job instead of, gambling. That'd be good. All right, we're getting a bit off topic here, but yeah, let's get back to the YOLOs. But yeah, Wilson, if you didn't already buy it, consider doing spreads or going further out. I think that'd be better than buying straight up FDs like that. All right, let's get to the YOLOs. Please smash the like button, guys. All right, so we got 10 YOLOs today. A lot of memes. A lot of gain corn. Don't do crack, guys. Not financial advice. That's life advice. I mean, I guess it kind of is financial advice because if you get addicted, then, you're going to lose all your money. That's all your money's going to go to. So, I guess that is financial advice. Don't do crack, guys. Need a higher security guard to check ticket. Old-fashioned way. Maybe on the bus, but I don't know about the train. Or they could just have cops standing there, but they don't even have cops scoping you out anymore. Back in the day, it was crazy. They had like undercover cops in street clothes just standing there watching if you jump the turnstile. Now no one cares. There's just no cops. The cops don't do anything now. That's what happens when you defund the police. There's just no cops doing anything now. Apparently, you can just smoke weed at the Yankees game. I saw that too. I'm just sitting there at the game, and these guys just pull out a J and start lighting it up. I'm like, damn, it's like that now? Like, no one cares. How about... I don't know if I should say it, because, I don't want to get flagged by YouTube. We'll just call it Fent. How about Fent? No, that's even worse. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do any of that stuff, guys. It'll mess up your life. Just stay to the 420. Stick with the 420. Fent will delete you? Yeah, in Florida, it's a big problem. Florida, I think they have, like, legit, like, houses doing that stuff, so. Yeah, don't do that, guys. Bad stuff, bad stuff. Stick with the 420. Alright, so yeah, today, guys, we got 10 YOLOs, a lot of memes, some gain corn. Let's do it. This is by 987. Papa Elon fooling us all along. So this is the past of what Elon has been saying. So 2017, a tunnel will be speed travel between New York and Washington. That never happened. That's the boring company. That was where you could like put your Tesla in the tunnel and it would like take it. It would turn into like a train kind of. That never happened. You just drive through the tunnel. Tesla Model 3 will cost $35,000. Yeah, right. That's like the very basic model with no add-ons and before inflation and cars went up. 2017 brain implants. Yeah, that's what's the company? Forgot his brain company, but that's another company he's doing. 2019 Tesla Cybertruck to begin production. Yeah, that never happened. 2022 Tesla's humanoid robot will be ready for production in 2023. Oh, 2017 he said semi-truck will arrive by 2019, and then he said 2019 it will begin production in 2021. 2019, 1 million robo-taxis on the road by 2020. 2017, full self-driving cars ready in 6 months. And now, Elon Musk says the humanoid robot, known as Optimus or Tesla bot, may be up and running within months. So yeah, he says a prototype is going to happen within months, so it's going to be a couple of years. But yeah, this guy, oh, and what about the Doge rocket? That's another thing. Screw him for that. He said the Doge rocket's gonna launch last season, and there's still no update. So, yeah, I don't think he's lying, but just way behind schedule. The whole state of Florida is on drugs, me included. I hope you're on the, you know, the safe stuff and not the harder stuff. Punk skater, careful, dude. They can take your picture if you ride the bus and train, then send you the bill by database. Well, this ain't China. I hope it never comes to that. That's where I draw the line. Alright, this is by Lore Maroney, Papa Elon. I did that. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Over and over and over. Alright, so this is by random guy somewhere. Economy is going to get knocked up. So, Elon Musk loves playing games. I've said it before, I will say it again. He is sitting in his tower giggling at the chaos he can create. He says he has a super bad feeling about the economy on June 3rd, the exact birthday of the character McLovin in the movie Superbad. That was a good movie, Superbad. I saw that a long time ago. It was probably in like middle school when I saw that. Or I think it was middle school. That was an old movie. So I don't know if this is just coincidence or what. But yeah. Today he said he has a super bad feeling, so I don't know if he was just trolling or what. But super bad. McLovin's birthday is June 3rd. So I wouldn't be surprised. This guy's a troll. Tesla will merge with BBIG and build EDC in Austin. Yeah. In your dreams. Maybe Rawa Coco will say that. And then it'll finally go to 1,000. Then nuclear MOAS when Tesla merges with BBIG. Yeah, keep dreaming. There's no rocket? Yeah, I'm starting to think that. Elon Musk busy scamming? Yeah, manipulating the market. Greatest market manipulator ever. Superbad was good. Yeah, that was a great movie. Devis lettuce only? Yeah, dude. Alright, good. That's how it should be. I don't even consider that a drug, but... yeah, just stick with the 420, guys. And maybe occasionally, mushrooms and stuff. Alright, let's get to the actual gain corn here. So this is by Warrior SF911. Diamond Hands Tesla puts. So yesterday, so this guy has June 3rd, 730 and 750 puts. Yesterday he was down 35%, down 1,300. Today he's up 378%, 14,000. So yeah, you know, Diamond Hands usually doesn't work, but in this case it did. And wow, what a swing. Down 1,300, now up 14,000. So, yeah, super FD YOLO. Glad it worked out for this guy. Congrats to you, Warrior SF 911. You need to force people pay the train or bus. They have no choice to send your picture or bills at home. They already take your driver license when you go on tolls. Yeah, but people cover their license plate now, so they don't even get in trouble for the tolls. So, yeah, they just need cops standing there. They need cops just, like, watching you, because there's no cops anymore. And maybe, I guess, police patrol on the highway watching if you run the toll booth. Someone put a Biden, I did that sticker next to the high gas pump. Yeah, I did. I think I saw the meme about that. Alright, this is by B-Boy, B-Bob. F your puts. So this guy's on IBKR. That's how I know he's serious. And he's TradingView too. So yeah, if anyone uses TradingView or IBKR, you know they're pretty legit. They should be, at least. It's a good generalization to make. So, yeah, what do we have here? SPX, 80 XPX, calls, 4120. Is that a meme? So he sold for 344K. Nice. I'm not sure what... Oh, net realized. Here it is. So it was a 40K YOLO. And he's up 340K. No, 300K. 40K YOLO, he's up 300K. Holy crap. Yeah, nice. So fat gain here. And these expired yesterday, so he escaped at the right time before it went down today. So fat gain here, 300K YOLO, 300K gain. Nice. Congrats to this guy. B-boy, B-bob. Skills. FD YOLO pretty exciting when you have okay money to play. Like play 1K in 1 week to try to come up BBIG. Yeah, it is. It's exciting because it's gambling. That's what YOLOs are. Straight up gambling. So, yes, you know, you get a rush playing YOLOs like that. But it's not good long-term. It's not a good long-term strategy. What happened to Golden State last night? They collapsed. Bad fourth quarter. This is by I Restrained Sheep. Bought snap puts playing the hourly chart at the end of the day. Didn't realize they had earnings coming out that night. So this guy cashed out by accident here. All right, so let's see. So this was a $4,600 YOLO. No, my bad, not 400. This was a $3,800 YOLO. And he made like 120K by accident. He legit made, yeah, it says here, over 118K profit here. 2,600%. So that's one way to do it. Yeah, this. How come I can't get this lucky? This guy literally made 120K by accident. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know, sometimes being an A pays off. Sometimes it's better to get lucky than to be smart. So, when does this expire? It already expired. So yeah, Irish Rain Sheep, thanks for posting. Congrats, dude. I wish this would happen to me. I wish I could get lucky by accident and make over 100K. But good stuff. Typical ape stuff. Congrats, dude. Good luck. Take the money and run. 300K. Yeah, it already expired yesterday, so he did that. He took the money and ran. Cashed it out right there at the right time. All right, let's see here. All right, so this is by XIP. Artard or Genius, a profit is a profit. Okay. So this expired today. So we had $130 strikes here for GME. 50 calls. This was a $4,500 YOLO. No, my bad. This was a $9,500 YOLO. Wow. These were super FDs. 0 days. He was playing 0 days here. So $9,500 YOLO. He was down 5,500. Held it. Then it was up 11,000. And then he sold them for 21,000. Yeah, so we made 11K. So yeah, down 5,500, up 11K. Crazy swings here. Super FD degeneracy. So again, sometimes it's better to be lucky than smart, and sometimes being an A pays off. So don't do this, guys. This is ridiculous. But yeah, XIP, thanks for hosting. Congrats to you, dude. Insanity. But glad it worked out. But in the future, it's probably not going to go that well. So enjoy the attendees, but chill out in the future. Congrats to you, and good luck. All right, got 3 more. This is by tester named. No F your calls. So we got Google calls, Google puts here. 2,300 and 2,350. And not sure what the cost basis was, but he's up 11.5K. Nice. What happened here? Reload. Okay. This is by Tiny Control 4132. Was up 15K last week, day trading options, on vacation this week, and played lightly. Up 5K this week, and my goal is to earn on average at least 1K per trading day. Portfolio started with 26K. All right, so this guy's probably gonna go broke. I'm glad it worked out so far, and that's pretty impressive. But day trading options is the riskiest thing you can do. High risk, high reward. It worked out so far. But I think this is a bit too optimistic. Earning 1K per day. This is how people go broke. So he's up a lot already. Up 20K. And honestly, he should just chill out. Because the longer you do this, eventually it's going to go bad, and he's going to lose all his money. So, I've seen this over and over again. I've seen the apes do this over and over again. It usually doesn't work out. And he's probably a bit overconfident right now. And he's going to get a rude awakening, a rude wake-up call. So, in my opinion, he should just chill out and enjoy the tendies. Made 20K. That's a good gain. Chill out, dude. The more you do this, bigger chance it's gonna go real bad. So, yeah. What do you guys think? He's gonna go broke, or is he actually gonna keep running it up like this? He's probably going broke. So yeah, Tiny Control 4132. Thanks for hosting. Congrats so far, but honestly, dude, chill out. You're probably gonna go broke if you don't stop doing this. A bit ambitious here, in my opinion. But hey, good luck to you, dude. All right, last one by Brett Lacken. Back in the green, baby. I think it's sarcasm, because he's up 2,100 today, but overall he's down 48K, down 70%.
And it's gone.
So yeah, not really back in the green. Still a lot of red here. A lot of red. Long way to go to the upside. So some big lost corn here. So Brett Lacken, thanks for hosting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you, dude. All right, guys. So that is the show for today. That's all I got. So actually did pretty good on time here. We finished pretty early, and then we just chilled for like an hour. So it's almost 6 o'clock. We went 2 hours today. That's all I got, guys. So anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything, put it in the chat. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. How many people still in here? 6 viewers, 9 likes. Nice, 6-9. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. So yeah, the show started kind of slow, but towards the end, more people came in. So I appreciate everyone who stuck around, who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Anything else? Anything else? Put it in the chat right now. Buffalo wing high $20. You mean the stock? Yeah, I do have to go check out Buffalo Wild Wings. Never been there. Never been to Hooters either. I should go check out Hooters. I don't know. Apparently some Hooters don't really have hot girls. They have some, like, pretty ugly girls working at Hooters. I'd be pretty disappointed. But I think New York City has some, New York City has good-looking women, so I don't really expect that to happen in New York City. But I've seen some funny stuff where the girls at Hooters aren't even that good-looking. Burger, nacho, and drink for $21. Huge inflation, but tips only $1. Oh, you're saying you spent $20. That's pretty good. Burger, nachos, and drink, $20. That's not bad. I would think it'd be more. Only tip $1. I don't know. They'd be pretty pissed about that, dude. All right. Anything else? Anything else, guys? Going once. Going twice. All right, I think that's it, guys. So appreciate everyone. I'll put the video out tonight. And yeah, guys, enjoy your weekend. See you guys on Monday. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. Of course, it's lagging now. Losing frames. I guess I'll just redo this later. Whatever. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.